Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you have a cheese shop, keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be walking you through the process of building a website for your business on the Marty Sites platform. If you've just randomly stumbled across this video today and you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with different side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, cheese shop. Really excited for this one today because I absolutely love cheese. So I'm going to go ahead and select that template and go ahead and put in my company details so Marty Sites can work its magic and create a simple website for me. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your cheese shop is located, you can enjoy the multi site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my phone number over here as well as my email address and click on continue. Great. Where is our cheese shop located? I'm going to go ahead and put in my street address as well as my postal code and click on continue. Great. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. We are closed on Sundays. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location and update hours. And look at that, Marty's Hearts has literally generated a simple website for my cheese shop in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi sites is we've pre written all the content for you. We've pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the delicious cheeses and products you stock in your store, and you want to make one or two changes to the content that was pre written as a guideline. You can do that. So, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be walking you through the process through each section from the top to the bottom so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works and how easy it is to use. I absolutely love it. Life is great. Cheese makes it better. I absolutely agree with that. So let's get cracking. Building a website, making amendments to your website for your cheese store. Let's quickly head to the top, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on update section over here. Now, I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my Marcy Sites website, so I'm going to make sure this box is ticked. Email address is now displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. We've already put in our physical location. It's displayed in the top left hand corner. And when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Awesome. Let's move along. I'm now going to head over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your cheese shop is active on. Icons will be displayed in the top as well as the bottom, so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. Over here, I'm going to head to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, Marty Sites will literally just display your business name here, and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload it. Awesome. If you don't have a logo yet and you don't have a huge budget for a graphic designer, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Over here, I'm going to click on this pencil over here because I want to go ahead and crop this ever so slightly so it fits better into that section. Mighty Sites also gives you an option to add some filters, decorate your logo if need be, add a frame, rotate it, zoom in, flip it. Let's go ahead and click on done and re-upload that as I've just cropped it. Awesome. Let's go ahead and click save. Logo has now been uploaded. We can make it bigger and smaller to suit our business needs, but I think that sizing is absolutely perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your cheese shop. Perhaps these colors don't go with your branding, your logo, your business cards. You can change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket over here in the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I really like this one. I'm going to look at a few more, but I do think I'm going to go ahead and select that one. It goes really well with my branding. Let me try one more, but I'm probably going to go back to that one over there. Let's check it out. Let me have a look at a couple more. Nope, I think I'm going to go back to this one over here. I absolutely love it and it goes really well, so I'm going to go ahead and save it. Awesome. Over here, I'm going to head over to update image. Now, if you've got your own images, browse your device and upload them by clicking on browse. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from and they're all completely free to use. I'm quite spoiled for choice here. There's really amazing images. So I'm going to try this one over here. Select the photo and save my image selection. Let's see how that looks. That looks absolutely amazing. I love it. I'm now going to head to update content. Now over here we can change the title and subtitle to suit our needs. Button doesn't have to say get in touch. Maybe you wanted to say get directions. So I'm going to go ahead and change that and choose my link. Now we can link to another website if need be. We can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and link to directions for this one. Another option you have is to upload a PDF file, which is one of my favorites. Maybe you have a catalog or your current promotional deals in PDF format. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file. Over here, again, pre-written content as a guideline, button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the Browder section. This looks absolutely amazing. I really wish I had that. Um, Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into this industry. Perhaps it's a family run business and it's been in the family for quite a while. Do you offer only maybe organic cheeses that are hormone free? Do you also offer a wide range of other products like crackers, breads, and wines to complement all the cheeses? Maybe put a little bit more details of the team running the show at your cheese shop so people have a little bit more information of who is the awesome faces behind the business. Your customers would really love to hear your story. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services or products you stock in your cheese shop. Do you do personalized baskets and cheese boards for a unique gift? Do you maybe host regular cheese tastings and events to educate customers on all the amazing varieties of cheeses? Do you give samples perhaps in store? Go ahead and pop all those details over here so your customers know what they can find at your shop. If you need to make any last changes to those trading hours or location, physical location, click on update section and work your magic. Now, if you have a custom domain, click on connect your domain and click on I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. Now, if you're struggling, there is a blog post over at our website www.martysites.com. Head on over to our websites and click on blog at the top. You'll find a step-by-step guide there on linking your domain. You'll also find such great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. As a small business, I do recommend you check out the blog. Lots of valuable information here in advertising, marketing your business. So do check it out. If you don't have a custom domain yet, go ahead and click on our Want a New Domain because you can now purchase your custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your cheese shop. Remember, the service is only going to cost $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So, click on the link below this video and give it a go. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.